Afternoon to
Speaking to the
all.
Don Bosco Media Network
Yes,
after the
today
installation
is
ceremony,
called as
the Archbishop
Archbishop
Victor
of
Lingdok said his main
Chihuahua
responsibilities
Diocese.
is to bring all
Yeah,
religious
my
groups together and express the
priority,
need for cooperation
first
from
of
everyone
all,
for bringing
to
in
bind
faster
all
development in the
together the
state.
people, to bind the people together in Archdiocese, to make our people united in building God's kingdom of peace, love, justice, and harmony. That is my priority. Then also after that, we want also that to bring all the priests and religious together, bring all together also the leaders to bring together. I cannot bring any development alone. I need the native, the men, women, and the youth to build together. Then also, we need also with the help of the government, some political leaders, and then ministers, then also all together with the people to build together any needs that we arise in society. That is what my priority. Then also, we need now at the present to eradicate like they say poverty in a state, and also to bring good health to the people, and also to abolish or try to do away with all the any evil, social evil in the society. That we need each other to do that. Without each other, I cannot build alone. That is my priority as a leader of the church. Then also to bring peace and harmony among the citizens, among the Christians, among the people in the state and in my diocese.